Hey guys, what I have here is a Lockwood mortise cylinder. Got it from my buddy Safecracker. I'm gonna pick it open and see what's inside it. Pin 1 set. Little click off of 5. Pin 3. Pin 2. Now we should get an open here on 4. But no. True to Lockwood fashion, something is overset. There we go. Yeah, the key pins on these are beveled, so they love to overset. So if you get an overset, you can just kind of brush them like that, and sometimes they'll drop back down. Alright. As an American, I never thought I was going to end up with a Lockwood. More people in America, I think, see Bigfoot than they see Lockwood locks. Alright, let's see if we can get this off. Actually using the can opener attachment because I've had this for about 15 years and have broken the flathead screwdriver. I don't think we'll need that. Alright. Yep, they all have that Lockwood bevel at the top. Another good thing about these locks, and I've just learned this in picking this one, they have really tight tolerances. Like, they're not sloppy at all. This is a 6-pin lock, but it's only pinned up to 5. Alright. Nothing special about the core in the Bible other than being really tight. I'll try to get a good zoom in here so you can see the bevels on the tops of the key pins here. What that does is, instead of just setting its shear line like every other standard key pin, it'll actually wedge its way up into the Bible a little bit, and it's real easy to do, but that's what makes them such great locks. Now that right there in a quick set wouldn't really matter because the tolerances are so loose and so sloppy, but you combine that and a lock that's built to such tight tolerances and you've got a pretty damn good lock. All in all, I really like it and can't wait to get my hands on another one. Alright everybody, that was my first Lockwood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I never showed you the... There we go. I think I saw somewhere where like you could tell how old the lock is based on how it's written there, but I don't remember which was which. I don't know if it's a new lock that looks old or if it's an old lock. Not really sure. Maybe somebody in the comments can tell me. Yeah, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.